Hey everybody, Gears here, and this is my DIY vacuum chamber test. Extra battery powered vacuum cleaner motor with impeller, a stack of 3 CD towers with the bottoms cut out of each, and you may not be able to note from there, but this is far from a straight line going across, and yet the vacuum is more than strong enough to totally collapse that side in. So I have some clear resin that I want to be bubble free. What I'm going to do, or have already done, is drawn a circle around the shape of this thing. I'm going to mix up my resin. So what I'm going to do is mix up my resin and get that ready. It's about 25 grams, so it's not a lot. Then take my hot glue gun, draw a bead of glue all around here, put the cup inside with the resin, put this on top, walk away for 10 minutes. This particular resin has a working time of 6 hours, which is crazy. The stuff that I'm used to has maybe 2 minutes of work time, 3 if you're really lucky. So the aim of the video here is to get a little test, and as soon as I hit that power button and the resin is in there, I'll pick up the camera and put it in place and go from there. Turn down your volume for up to 5 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. Oh, and I didn't hit record. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. I had a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the thing, the vacuum lifted the cup up and just spilled it over, so I'm about to check out the result. So that was a total surprise. 1, that I didn't record it. 2, that it happened, and holy cow. So what I think actually happened is that the vacuum did not lift the cup up. What happened was the wall collapsed, hit the cup, kicked it up, spilled it over. From what I recall, that's what seems to have happened. So I'm going to be doing some fiberglass work relatively soon. So what I'll just do is rim this with some fiberglass on the inside and the out. That way that'll make that totally solid. And at that point, yeah, that should be working. We'll see. I'll give it another test then. That's still a little ways off, but maybe in YouTube time it'll be tomorrow. We'll see. Thanks for watching. See ya.